Are you looking for the best rolling toolbox? In this video, we will break down the top 4 rolling toolboxes on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hello there. Here at Better and Best Products, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks for every category based on features, quality, price, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more product review videos regularly.
At number 1, Rolling Tool Chest. This rolling toolbox made from high-quality steel and outfitted with 8 drawers and a lower cabinet to store larger tools. This 8-drawer rolling tool chest takes top honors. It comes with a 2-piece chest, boasts an upper section that may either be stacked on top or slid inside the cabinet portion of the lower section, making it double as a trolley-type cart. The chest features powder-coated steel to resist rust and corrosion, as well as swivel caster wheels that make it easy to push around in the garage or workshop. The chest's drawers are on ball-bearing slides, so they glide without sticking. Moreover, the lower tool cabinet portion can be locked for security. Assembled dimensions are 24.4 inches long by 42.9 inches high by 13 inches wide. At number 2, Milwaukee Modular Toolbox. This toolbox has large and rugged wheels that are perfect for uneven terrain. This toolbox features 3 large boxes with plenty of space for even the bulkiest tools. The boxes come with movable compartments for smaller tools. Each box comes with plastic and metal clasps for added security on the job site. The boxes sit securely on top of each other. Also, this toolbox on wheels features one large bin at the bottom that offers plenty of space for bulky power tools, such as a circular saw, a biscuit joiner, and/or a cordless framing nailer. However, the boxes sit securely on top of each other thanks to their molded lid. The middle box can even double as a portable toolbox thanks to its thick handle. All boxes are weather sealed, and the whole unit can hold up to 250 pounds. At number 3, Keter 241008. This super durable resin toolbox won't dent, peel, rust, or crack, even in harsh weather. And with 2 7-inch rubber wheels, an extendable handle, and a central lock, it's easy to tote it along with you while you work. The lower portion of the box has plenty of room for your larger tools, such as power drills, hammers, flashlights, and handsaws. The upper part of the box has multiple compartments for smaller tools, including 6 removable bins for nails, screws, tape measures, and other small items. But best of all, the upper portion of the box is divided, so you can slide the 2 halves apart for easy access to every part of the box without lifting off the top shelves. The toolbox is 14.88 by 24.25 by 16.34 inches and has a 66-pound weight capacity. The box itself weighs 13 pounds. At number 4, RIDGID Tool Box. This rolling toolbox is well built. By its look, you can say that these boxes will keep all the tools you have well secured. You are getting 3 boxes of different dimensions. Only the top box can be used as an organizer. The bottom 2 boxes are suitable to throw large tools in those. These compartments don't have any dividers or separators, so the tools keep rolling in those, which is quite annoying. Plus, you can use an additional organizer in those compartments to solve the problem. These boxes have a latch-style lock. The lock is also well built. Besides, all the compartments are water and dust-proof. So, as long as the valuables are kept within, they are all intact from outside disturbance.